Hello, happy morning to all my lovely students there. How are you students? I hope you are taking care of your health, right? So students, we work on chapter 10, that is the treeless grassland. This video will be our part 2 video. In this video, we will be discussing about climate and agriculture, vegetation and wildlife of the Paris. Okay students, so now we will watch the video. So students, we have already started with the topic that is on page number 62. The topic was the Paris. We have already seen location and land. We will first recall it and then we will be moving to our today's topic, that is climate and agriculture.
And land. The prairies in North America extend from Canada to Mexico. It is located in the northern hemisphere, roughly between the equator and the North Pole. The two big rivers, Mississippi and the Missouri, passes through this region.
In this topic, there are two main rivers which is important. You can mark on your textbook also. On page number 62, Mississippi and Missouri passes through the regions. These two rivers are important. Now we will be moving to our topic, that is climate and agriculture.
Climate and agriculture. In the prairies, the climate is extreme. The winters are cold and the summers are hot. Rainfall is moderate and occurs mostly in the summer season. This climate is not suitable for trees to grow. Trees are rare in the prairies.
Trees are very rare in this area because the rainy season is in summer. When there is summer, there is very less amount of rainfall. So the trees not get proper atmosphere. So in this area we can see that the trees are very less.
Except along the river, but grasses grow quickly and are very tall. The spring season shows the best growth of grasses.
The rain is there. Trees are not able to grow, but the grasses grow very faster and they are heightened. The spring season is the best view we can enjoy over here.
Sometimes hot winds called Chinook, which blow in the spring over the prairies, help to melt the snow and make grazing possible. The presence of rivers Mississippi and Missouri and their tributaries are a boon for the farmers as they provide water.
These two rivers are the bones for the farmers. These two rivers provide water for irrigation and the water which is very suitable for the wheat production. So that's the reason this area is known as wheat basket of the world. Atmosphere भी suitable है, जितना रेन वाटर चाहिए होता है that is saved in these two rivers and these two rivers water is utilized for the irrigation purpose.
Water for irrigation. This region is perfect for growing wheat and is therefore called the wheat basket of the world. These favorable conditions make the United States of America the largest producer of wheat in the world.
These favorable conditions makes the United States of America the largest production of wheat in the world. It is an MCQ question. You have to remember it. And one question I can also ask you, that is, name the area why this area is known as wheat basket of the world. So students, now we will be moving to the topic, that is vegetation and wildlife.
Vegetation and wildlife. This area was at one time covered with tall grasses for miles and miles together. It was the grazing ground of bisons. But once the Europeans arrived on these lands, they settled down. They used the prairies as grazing lands for their cattle. Later, they cleared the land for agriculture. Now, this has become the biggest farming region of the world.
Previously, bison is an animal which used to eat these grasses, but now they have cleaned the grasses and they use this land as an agriculture purpose.
Several small animals are found, which include dogs and suslings. These are community animals, and like other community animals, they gather seeds and store them. This helps in plant growth. Another way by which they help in plant growth is by turning the soil over while digging burrows. Birds found here are hawks, owls, and eagles. Reptiles that feed on birds' eggs also live here. Apart from these animals, insects such as leopard grasshopper, tiger beetle, harvester ant, and the tumblebug are found here in abundance. Life of the farmers.
So I hope students you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt, you are free to contact your ma'am. So students, let's move to worksheet. So students, let's move to the worksheet part. This worksheet is your number 2. Let's discuss it. Filling the blanks. The two big river dash and dash passes through the region. Remember, these river also helps in the irrigation process, and because of these two rivers only, that area is known as wheat basket of the world. I can ask you as a short note, describe about wheat basket of the world. Okay, students? The second is, in the Paris, the climate is extreme. Okay, there is not too hot, not too cold, and the rain is in the summer season, and it is very less in amount. Paris means you need to write the meaning of it. Let's move to question number 2. Write briefly and complete the following table of Paris about its location, vegetation, and wildlife. Students, for that, please open your textbook. Yes, very good. Now, open page number 62. For location, you can refer the points on page number 62. The heading is location and the land. For the second topic, that is vegetation, you can refer the points from page number 63 under the heading vegetation and wildlife. You can take out the points of vegetation. Any 3 to 4 points you are supposed to write in this. Now the last is wildlife. Wildlife is also on page number 63. Vegetation and wildlife. The first paragraph is for vegetation and the last paragraph is for wildlife. You can mark this. You can take any 3 to 4 points which you feel that are easy to remember, and you can jot it down here. So students, I hope you are completing your worksheet in the fair book itself. When you come, bring your notebook with you. I mean, send your notebook with your parents. Okay students, take care. Bye. God bless you.